Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link Android phone to Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. First of all, you have to download the app Phone Link. After downloading this app, you have to open this. Here you can see select your device. You can select your device as you want. I'm choosing Android. Now here you can see QR code. Now you have to open your device's scanner and scan this code. After scanning this code, you will be able to link Android phone to Windows 11. So this is how you can link Android phone to Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.